Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm all right. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Long time, huh? Happy New Year.
Yeah, long time. Happy New Year. Yeah, I'm back.
You're back, welcome back. Hello,
Yeah.
everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Chat and Chart. This is the New York session. Hopefully, we'll have a fruitful session today. Although I'm a bit confused about gold. I don't know, like, is it going to continue going up? Like, I'm facing some difficulty in figuring out the daily bias. What about you, Rosa?
Yeah, same here. It's been, well, I did take a trade, an awful trade. I'm not in sync with the market again. And
Mhm.
today it's a bit up and down all the time. It's in a bit of a range. Yesterday was a nice day to me,
Yeah,
very clear.
yeah, me too.
Today, it's a bit more difficult, at least to me.
Yeah, today I haven't taken any trades yet, but yesterday was a pretty good day. I made like around 400 pips on gold, a single
Wow.
trade, and then I stopped. That's it. Although I had like, if you remember yesterday, during the like pre-New York, it gave a setup, and then in the evening it gave the same setup again.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was like I bought around 85 and I closed around 26, 27,
All right.
626, 27. Then later on the day, I like opened the screen to see the prices, and I saw gold again at 85. But I decided not to take that trade, and I was right because it swept the low of the day at around
Okay.
73. It reached around 69, and then it reversed back up. So today I was like, I was preparing myself mentally to be in buys, but I don't like how this looks. Like it's facing a real hard time breaking above 640.
Mm.
Um, although like it is a continuation pattern, what we're seeing here. Let me share my screen. 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
Uh-huh.
There has been some news, right? Let
Yeah,
me check.
yeah. Yesterday was big on news, and today we have like the PPI and some inflation numbers. But not yet. I think in
Oh,
about
yeah, half an hour.
half an hour. Yeah,
Yes, got it. Okay, got
guys,
it.
I'm trying to share my screen. Can you please help with that, guys, in the backstage? Thank you.
Good.
There it is. So yeah, what I see here is a classic technical analysis pattern, which is the ascending triangle, which is a continuation pattern, a bullish continuation pattern. So like a strategy, or not a strategy, a setup might be buying somewhere around here, around 32, with stops below 25, but that's quite a big stop loss because I'm not sure like how far away will it go after breaking above this level, which is 640.
Mm.
What do you think, Rosa?
Uh, I would be selling today if
Yeah.
I had the opportunity. Um, for some, I don't have a setup for selling, you know that. But it's like I'm feeling the market is, as you said, having a hard time. Just going above
Mhm.
46, 40, kind of.
Yeah.
So I've been having a lot of setups selling. I don't usually sell because I'm not very good at selling, but
Mhm.
I think it might go down a little bit. But there's important news in 30 minutes, so maybe it's a trick,
Yeah.
like a
I
trap
prefer
on.
to stay out. I prefer to stay out until like it's clear,
Mm,
because what I think will happen is the following: it will wick up and then close below and then start going down. Uh, that's what I think might happen. It doesn't mean
mm,
that if you buy from here, you wouldn't get some like a nice couple of hundred pips. you might, but it's very risky because we have news coming up.
Yeah.
And the reason, like, I'm more inclined towards the bullish side is because look at silver. Silver is breaking all-time highs now as we speak.
Oh.
So, like, look, like less than 5 minutes ago, it was at 92, which is an all-time high. So silver, like, beats gold, or is ahead of gold with one wave. So since silver is making new all-time highs, I expect gold to make new all-time highs soon enough.
Okay.
That's how I like do this intermarket analysis. I try
Mhm.
to like connect things together. But as you said, the way it looks more bearish than bullish, and because like it's having a hard time breaking above 640. But I think it's a trick. I think it's going to keep going up, and it might be a double trick. How? Like it would keep it will continue going go up, and then it will wake up and then reverse. So that's what I think will happen.
Mm.
Let's wait and see.
Yeah,
Um,
it's very possible.
yeah, I think we'll see around like. Let me check 1 second. Let's go back to gold. Yeah, so this. Yeah, so 660 maybe, very possible.
660. Okay.
Yeah, maybe from there we can see like a rejection, a bearish rejection. But so far, I think we're still going up, but the upside is not very tempting to me, if that makes sense. Yeah,
Mm.
the same number. I'm getting the same number, 660. So whenever I take Fibonacci extensions of each correction, I'm getting the exact same number, which is 660. So we
Mm.
might have like $30 up from here, but I'm not comfortable buying yet.
No, me neither. Not. I won't do anything else. I won't do anything after the news until after the news.
Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. I think it's the smarter thing to do. One more thing, we're having some kind of bearish divergence here. So you see here, it's making higher highs, but
Oh
on the
wait.
MACD, it's making lower highs.
So this divergence is in 5 minutes. I
Yeah,
didn't say it. Okay, nice one.
yeah, yeah. But it's also like it's just a negative filter. I don't use it to enter trades,
Mm.
but I use it like to filter out bad trades. So even though my overall bias since the minute I woke up today is bullish, this is a lot of things are filtering out this buy trade for me. So a lot of things are telling me not to buy. So I think we're up to see some manipulation during the news. So let's wait and see. Yep.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. I have to say, while
Mhm.
I've been away on kind of holidays this
Yeah.
Christmas,
So tell us about your holiday until the news comes out. Yeah. What did you do?
nothing.
How
I
long did you take off?
no. Well, I did take a few weeks, but
Oh
like
wow.
2 weeks, but not because I was with family. I've been in hospital, so
Oh
I had
wow.
yeah
Sorry
yeah.
to hear that.
I'm
Hope all is
okay
well.
now. So I've been having enough time to think about it with nothing to do all day long. And I have been, as always, trying to improve the sell side. It's like I've
Glad to
been,
see that you're good.
so I would say I'm more than um, ready to start selling gold whenever a nice setup comes in. So
Mhm.
yeah, I've been like back testing and trying to do like some within the back test, but like bar on bar. So I don't see the future. So I have to
Mhm.
make decisions bar on bar. So I've been improving that. And that's it. Like most of the holidays, I've been away from home. So yeah,
Okay.
but that's it. So nothing interesting, to be honest, this year.
I'm sorry to hear that you were in hospital. Hope
Hmm.
all is well now.
Yeah,
Um,
kind of.
but for me, like I took the last 10 days of December
Wow.
off, off from trading, of course, but like I was preparing for this year.
Mm.
Some back testing, some forward testing, a lot of things. So uh, just to fine tune my strategy, especially the scalping strategy, because I like after I looked at my stats, they're quite impressive. I discovered that in scalping, I'm 40% accurate, which is not bad,
Well, no, not at all.
with an average risk reward of 1 to 4.5, which
Wow.
is amazing. Yeah, which is amazing. I
Yeah,
know like 40% might not sound very good, but if you run the math, it's
yeah,
really, really
yeah.
good.
The
It's really
the the win-loss ratio, that comes along with
Yeah,
only the winning ratio. So the how much is the risk and how much do you get every time
yeah,
you lose or you win. So both combined, that's
yeah,
explosive. So
yeah. So
well
so
done.
thank you. So what I decided to do is to focus more on scalping now,
Great.
because like as I told you, I think you know that. I just trade like I don't know, place 15 to 20 trades a year, maybe
Mm,
25 maximum. So the rest of the year, there is a lot of money on the table. So since I discovered that I can
mm.
actually scalp pretty well, I decided to work more on it and make it more structured.
Yes,
Um, so I came up with a playbook of my own.
great.
So
Wow.
yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. And
You have done your homework. Wow.
yeah, just because like it was just for fun at the beginning, to
Mm.
be honest. When I started scalping, I started it just for the fun of it, just because we are like
I
we do
know,
live
yeah. We
streams
were
and-
on the live stream and you say, well, okay, let's have
yeah,
some fun and just put some trades. But yeah,
exactly. But I discovered that like statistics are really impressive, so I decided no, let's focus on that. It makes you good money, so why not? So I
fantastic.
hope like I'll just keep doing well in scalping, because now I think I'm going to start scaling up a little bit in terms
Great.
of like position size. So I hope this doesn't make a difference, although I'm very well aware that it might. So let's see how that goes.
If you take it like slowly, like this is not my field, my battlefield, so just take it slowly,
Mhm.
size up slowly,
Yeah,
no rush. It for now it could be like a hobby, trying to convert in a profession, but you know what you're talking about already. So and your numbers add up, so it's fantastic. So
mhm.
scale up, just bit after bit, and you'll be a fantastic professional scalping in nothing than a few months.
Hopefully,
Um,
hopefully that would be great, because like it makes a lot of money. Scalping does make a lot of money. I,
yeah,
I was doing it for fun, and then after I looked at the like the bottom line,
yeah.
I was like, man, this makes money. Like
Y-
only risking 0.25% per
I
trade.
know scalping is very difficult for people new to trading, I think. But when you are already, when you know what trading is about and you know you have to lose, there's ups and downs, there's only probabilities, and you don't control nothing that happens on the market. You just have to go through your playbook, as you say, your strategy, and do what your strategy say. Then, when you then go back to scalping, it's tons of money, and
Yeah.
I didn't realize how much money there's on the table scalping. And I was discussing with someone yesterday because this morning I just took a trade. It was a good trade on futures, doesn't matter, and
Mhm,
I only took on personal account, and I only took like 10 ticks, something like that, ridiculous, like 10 pips, let's say.
mhm.
And I was discussing with someone like only 10 pips, but that what ticks, that's ridiculous, blah, blah, blah. And say, it is not, because my leverage is extremely high on on this. My risk is very
Yeah.
high on these 10 ticks because I'm pretty sure what I'm doing. And so in a matter of like 5 seconds, I was able to get money. And he was waiting and waiting and waiting until an hour ago because he was waiting for the big movement. So end result is the same money. We both made more or less the same money, but mine was faster. So my mind can be at ease, fast,
Yeah, I
And
get
here's
that.
why.
I get that. Because like when you do swing trading for a long period of time, you become numb from the inside. Like
Yeah.
you get used to seeing like very big numbers in the green, and then break even, and then sometimes back in the red, and then back in the green. So it take like I
Hmm.
learned how to avoid looking at the charts while I'm inside the trade. So I think this single skill or like habit has helped me in scalping. I think so.
Yeah. Could
Yeah,
be.
I'm
Yeah.
trying to understand why I'm doing well in scalping, although in the past I tried and I failed. I think it's because I learned or I developed the habit of not looking at the chart after I enter a trade.
Hmm.
So I get that. Scalping is really nice because, like, as you said, you don't need to wait for long periods of time. You just like take your money and leave, uh, which is pretty like nice to like. It's a good feeling, but it's
Hmm.
not as easy as it sounds.
Hmm.
Like, yeah, we
It's
need to
not.
like, yeah, we need to be honest about that. It's not as easy as it sounds, because many people entering trading, especially people listening now, I think they would definitely say, yeah, I would rather make my money faster than slower, but it's not easy.
No,
So
it's not easy. It's not for people starting.
yeah,
Because you can also lose very easy. So your
exactly.
mind has to be
As
adapted.
fast, you can lose
Yeah.
as fast.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's not scalping is not for everyone either. But anyway, it's fine.
But I don't know,
So
like, am I considered a scalper or a day trader in this case?
well, day trader could be, yeah. But I'm happy I've converted you
Yeah, yeah.
to
You need to start a
to a
religion now.
soon to be scalper.
You need to start a religion. You have,
Yeah,
yeah, you have what it takes to convert people.
scalping religion.
Yeah.
It's not easy, but it's yeah. There's a lot of money on the table when you realize,
Hmm.
and the speed and the velocity. That what makes, and I'm very calm. I in my real life when I'm not trading,
Hmm.
I'm not that aggressive or that fast. I don't want fast results. I'm very calmed. So it's like being two different persons, two different
Hmm.
people. But when I started doing day trading and then moved to scalping, I soon realized like, oh, there's two Rosas, two different Rosas. The one in like general life and the one when she sits down, she focused and she starts like working. And yeah, so and that's a lot of money. If you know how to do it,
Hmm.
it's I'm not saying it's better than swing, of course not. But it's
It's
just
funny how
like
you say that because, like in real life, I'm very fast. I like
mm,
things done now or yesterday. I'm very aggressive in real life, but when it comes to trading, I'm a totally different person. Uh, yeah, I mean, like, given that I've been swing trading for a very long time. So behind the charts, I'm very collected. I'm very calm, and nothing can piss me off easily. But in real life, anything can piss me off. So that's funny how, like, I thought that I had two people inside of me, but then I just hear you say that,
mm.
which, thank you for saying that. That means that I'm normal.
You are normal.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
and we can be different people. I mean, it's like you probably don't behave the same way when you are with your friends, with your wife, with your boss, or with your teacher.
yeah.
So we all behave different depending on the environment we are in. And it's all different personalities. No, it's just one personality, different tricks.
Mm.
Understanding you have to behave different. So if you are at work, you won't be, I don't know, like arguing or shouting or getting jokes.
Yeah,
You
you
can
need
do that when
you need
you're with your
to.
friends. Yeah.
No, I think I'm the exact same person, like in every walk of life, except for trading. Like I think like I had to like change myself to become another person behind the screen, because no, here we need to make money, so we need like a set of rules, a set of traits and habits and whatsoever, you know. So I think I don't know. That's like I've never thought of that. And the way you just described it, you said like in real life you like to take things slow,
Mm.
but behind the charts you execute fast and you're pretty aggressive. I'm the exact opposite. So
Wow.
yeah, nice. That was
Different
that was
approach.
yeah, that was a good thing to hear. That I'm not alone.
No, you're not the only one.
Uh,
That's why it's so important to do like these regular live streams because being a trader, like not as a hobby,
it
it's
messes
very
with your head.
yeah. And
Yeah,
you don't talk to anyone. At least me, I don't explain my days to anyone in my family because
because no one would understand.
yeah, and they cannot manage the amount of money we move in every day.
Mhm.
So I can't go and say, oh, I've lost like 10K today, eh, but it's fine. Let's go for a walk.
No,
I
no,
did
they
it
will be
once.
talked for the rest of the day. Yeah.
I did it once and I regret it instantly and say, so I only ask a question. So when I'm asked, how was your day? And I'm always saying, fine. That's it.
Yeah,
So you don't talk to anyone unless you know another trader and you can express yourself and how hard
100%.
is this. So yeah,
A
you're
hundred
not
percent.
you're not alone.
Yeah.
Uh
Trading does that to you. Like it causes you to have like multiple versions of yourself.
yeah.
Someone is asking if we can break the DAX.
Oh yes, go for it.
Um, we have 7 minutes to go before the news.
Mm.
Let me check if we have any more. Sideways might fall. I think so.
Um, in the meantime,
Yeah.
someone's because you're showing already this chart or any chart. Someone's asking what is this 4 hours candle indicator you have on TradingView?
Yeah, I took that from Sai.
Yeah, but I don't remember the name. He said,
It's ICT, high time frame, or like HTF
"Oh,
candles.
okay,
Fadi.
all right."
That's it. So let me write it down. We can write in the chat, no? Can we?
No, you have to go to YouTube.
Ah, no. Forget about it.
Mm,
I'm not doing that. So ICT, HTF candles, Fadi, and you can
yeah,
like play
they
around
can
with
see it
the,
on the screen. It's fine.
yeah. You can play around with the settings. So yeah, where were we? Um, I wanted to, yeah, DAX.
Yeah, DAX. You were about to show DAX.
Where's DAX? Here's DAX.
I'm trying to implement my gold strategy to DAX. I'm having some
Okay.
trouble doing it.
I
Mm,
think it's a totally different behavior.
it
So
is, yeah. Mm, I don't get it.
DAX moves pretty well. So top-down analysis, weekly is still very bullish. Daily is still very bullish. If this closes like this today, we might be heading towards this level, which is 25K. We go to 4 hours. Yeah, we're still above most of the major moving averages. So the 25, 25, 100 is a good place to start looking for buys or buy setups. Um, yep. I think the last area you should be looking for buys, like short term, I'm talking, is around the 24,600. This is like this is the last one before it reverses the short term trend. 1 hour. Yeah, so on the day, like I would be selling, to be honest.
Yeah.
On the day, I would be selling 30 minutes. Yeah, like what I like, to be honest, I wouldn't be doing anything because like it's very close to this major moving average, which is the 200-day moving average.
Mm.
Let me take a look at the 15 minutes. And like It doesn't look so good to me. I think it might reverse any second now. It is like in a short-term downtrend. Like the trend today or this session is down, but it can reverse any second now. So I wouldn't touch it.
Me neither. We are like 3 minutes away.
Yep.
Not sure DAX will be impacted, but just in case. And is it holidays next Monday? Is it US holiday?
Yeah, Martin Luther King Day.
Oh, okay, okay. All right. So day off.
Yeah. Day off on on the New York session, but
Yes.
the rest of the markets.
Yeah, I'll be trading on the London session as always.
Yeah. Let me check. Okay, so we have the PPI, the retail sales, and the core retail sales.
Yes,
We have
too many
3 data
things.
points, yeah, coming out in 2 minutes.
Mm. 2 more minutes. I still see gold going down. Don't know why, but
You know, what's it called? Like the screenshot move.
yeah.
Yeah, you know it.
Is when if I'm not mistaken, is when it's like everything happens in one candle, like in a second,
Yeah,
or
like
not?
it catches the like the high. It sweeps the highs and then the lows, so everyone gets stuck.
Yeah, I'm
Like
not feeling confident in.
yeah, so that's the screenshot move. I think we're going to see it now. Let me go to the 1 minute so that you guys can see the screenshot move, or 5 minutes.
Mhm.
So I think, I'm not sure. We're going to see this, like we're going to go up and then close lower and then continue lower for the day. Let's wait and see. Okay, 1 minute, 6 seconds actually. 3, 2, 1,
Yeah,
and there it is.
out.
So no big movement actually. So yeah, the retail sales numbers are positive. So retail sales is above expectations at 0.6% instead of 0.5% expected.
Hmm.
The core retail sales is 0.5% in comparison with 0.4% expectation. The PPI is lower than the previous, which is 0.2% in comparison with 0.3%. So PPI is lower, meaning that the Fed doesn't need, or they can, sorry, cut rates if they see like the need, because like they keep rates higher to fight inflation. PPI is an inflation indicator. That's the producer price index. So since it's going down, this will eventually move to the consumer level, and we will see lower inflation, so they can cut rates without worrying about inflation. Yeah. So yeah, everyone's saying sell, sell, sell.
Yeah, I'm also on the sell side. I mean, that's my impression.
Like I wish it broke like the 617.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be a clear signal. But now I don't know.
Waiting. Okay.
Yeah. So one of the rules that I made up for scalping is never be in a trade while there's news releases. Never.
Smart. I if I'm in a trade while there's news coming up, it's just
Mhm.
because I've forgotten.
Mhm.
Not because I want to. I don't because I don't know what the market is going to do,
Nobody knows. Yeah.
and it's very difficult to me. So I don't
So
like this impression of not knowing what to do.
yeah, and actually, like I came with this up. I came with this rule because after checking my journal, I discovered that all of them, all of the trades, like I had running and like got closed on stop loss. Like not all trades that got stopped,
Mm.
like stopped out. No, I mean, um, all of the trades that I was in during news got stopped out because of that crazy movement on
Mm.
lower time frames. So I decided to just skip that. Hopefully, this will improve my accuracy, but let's see.
I don't actually like. It's like today. If I don't feel it, like this is the day to me, I'd rather wait, and then I'll take some other trades at some other moment.
Okay, so Toxic Love is making a great point now. Those news are from November due to the US shutdown, US government shutdown, he means.
You're right.
So it won't have much impact. That is absolutely correct.
Mm.
Thank you for this observation.
Mm.
You are welcome, Shishi. So I have no idea what the gold is going to do now.
Nope.
Rosa, what do you
Yep.
have?
Nothing.
Yeah,
I have nothing.
yeah, me too. And I don't like this feeling.
It's because I'm seeing cells since we started, but
Mm,
there's no clear setup to me for buying either. So it's like, oh, I don't do sales, but I can't buy because there's no setups at all. So
mm. Yeah, but cells make more sense, to be honest. Cells do make more sense when you look at lower time frames.
hmm,
Well, I'm not doing anything.
nothing.
We have 30 minutes to go for this candle close, which is the hourly. So if it closes like this, I might be looking for sells after it retests the 50% level of this candle.
Hmm.
So let's see how this one closes. Okay, guys, do you have any questions for us? Let's discuss something you are interested in until this candle closes or we get setups.
Yeah, well, congrats to Toxic Love
Love.
PT. You secured a payout. That's good.
And he's waiting for the end of month. Congratulations.
S- MA is asking, is there any strategy you follow for scalping? Well, I do have mine.
Yeah,
Not sure, and probably Saif will have. You have yours. You've developed something
it's very
that
similar
works
to the
for you.
swing
Yeah.
strategy, to be honest.
No one's inventing the rule in trading. So it's like you go with the trend, against the trend, or you do arbitrage, things like that. But then you can use indicators or no indicators, price movement. So um, that's why it's similar to mine, because if mine works, you can take it and adapt it to yourself, and that's it. It's easier than start thinking about developing a new strategy from scratch.
But to be honest, I've never I've never seen anyone, even my students. I've never seen anyone follow the strategy exactly. You
No.
must change something that suits
Yeah.
your personality. At some point, even if like, even though I have like many students, none of them actually do exactly what I do. None
Hmm.
of them. They have their tweaks. They have their touches on that strategy. And since it works, it works. But trading is very personal. You're
Hmm.
going to have to develop a system, a trading system that works with your personality, that is made around your personality.
That is completely true.
Yeah.
That's why, but even if you copy, I mean, but I mean, I have this mentality that when something works, I try to copy everything, whatever. So if I have to make a new website and I'm selling some goods, I'll try to be as similar as I can as Amazon, let's say, or one of these
Because
massive,
they're doing a good job.
because they have 100 people just for the marketing, just for the user experience. I've been working with multinationals so many years, and I've been there. So if they spend millions deciding that the search button has to be, I don't know, bottom left, why should I innovate? From my
Yeah.
perspective, I'd rather copy something that's working,
Yeah,
and
that's smart.
then over time, I'll develop my own thing, right? So
Yeah.
I'll decide if it works or not. But um, sometimes I'm surprised because I've been teaching my strategy A to Z, like to the T, to many people, and it's impressive how out of 100 people teaching something that you can see it works, and they see me doing it every day on my lives, they don't do it. They think and they say, okay, you're using, let's say, the RSI. I'm not using it, but just as an example, I'm going to use like triple
Trust.
stochastic. Yeah. So,
Mm.
so from the beginning, and I always say, why don't you copy to the T what you are seeing that works, and then when you are like 3 6 months in with this strategy, you start implementing changes, because by then you also have a better clarity on the price movements and the symbol you are trading. And maybe out of 100 people, only one is profitable with me, like seriously profitable, like
Yeah.
like
Because
living
like,
the dream.
if people are stubborn, not like your students or my students.
Oh
People
no,
in general are
everyone,
stubborn.
yeah.
Yeah. Um, like they have some cognitive biases that, um, okay, Rosa is really good and she's teaching me, and but I think I'm smarter than her.
Yeah,
So
I can do better.
yeah, I can do better than that. So why just wait for price to retest? Why
Yeah.
not just buy now? Why not buy at a better price? My analysis is showing that it's going up because you don't have confirmation, but they don't see this, like they don't see this layer because of lack of experience.
Yeah.
But what they see is, maybe she's not very bright. Like she knows what
Yeah.
she's doing, but she's not as bright as me. I discovered that if you buy from a lower price, you'll get
Yeah.
like higher profits and lower risk. So that's what happens with
This
people
is
leave.
very human behavior, to be
Yeah,
honest. This is very common. Even for me, when I started, I thought I was going to be profitable in 2 months, and that's it.
Dunning-Kruger effect.
That's
The
why I quit my job.
the
Uh,
Dunning-Kruger effect in action.
yeah,
When you learn a thing or two about something and you think that you've mastered it,
yeah.
and then reality hits you.
Oh, it hit me hard. I used to live in London by that time, and you know how expensive London is.
Yeah.
And I quit my job in the city. I used to manage extremely large teams,
Hmm.
amazing salary, living the dream there. And I
And then
quit
you
because I
decided to
was
throw
going
it
to be
all away
rich. Hmm.
to catch a 1 minute candle. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
If you're
That's
doing it right, it's no problem. But like you can't expect to like master trading in a couple of
yeah.
months or like in a few months, even a few years.
Even a few
So,
years, to be honest. I
yeah.
mean,
like it's no less than becoming an accountant or like a doctor or a lawyer or whatever.
Exactly.
It's no less than that. It even makes more money than those. So how come you're okay with studying medicine for 7 years, but you're not okay with studying
Yeah.
trading for 3 years, 4 years?
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
that is the fundamental problem with the people
Yeah,
because
I
like
know.
of ease of access. It's easy to access trading. You just need an ID and like a couple of $100 in cash,
Hmm.
and voila, you're a trader. No, you're not a trader. You're just like another retail. How to say it? How can I say it in a nice way? Because like I have the word, I'm like I have a word from a book, but I'm not going to say it because it's rude. Um, but you become another sheep.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say
That
the
was
real
soft
word.
enough.
Yeah, that was the softest thing I could do. So yeah, you become one of the herd.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's difficult anyway. With all, it's honest to say, there's too much publicity and marketing and adverts not saying the truth that it's normal. People think you are going to make it in a few months. I myself
hmm.
thought I could make it. And it was because of all the marketing and adverts I used to watch at the moment on YouTube, trying to learn how to trade. So yeah, it should be like, I don't know, not illegal, but there should be more rules trying
Yeah,
to
I
when you
agree.
advertise something, because otherwise it's hard. Some people, I've never I've never been in pain because I've always saved money in my life, and financially I'm always okay. But I've seen some people paying courses asking for credit to the bank. So not having a dime and involving a bank account, I mean, just to get some money from them to make a like a week trading course, and you know what's the result.
Yeah,
So it's not easy as it
but
seems.
you know what the problem is? People actually buy those.
Yeah, yeah,
They buy those dreams and they buy those lies, like the whole time.
yeah,
Uh,
that's true.
yeah, and that's what makes the problem even bigger.
Hmm.
And not only that people are those online gurus are liars, it's also that people are not very they don't have good awareness.
Yeah.
They don't have good common sense, to be honest. um, Greed drives them more than anything else.
Hmm. Yeah,
But
that's
like,
true.
but I can understand that because like some people are like in a really bad place in their life, and they're like, yeah,
Yeah.
what do I have to lose? Why not?
Yeah, yeah, you're desperate and you'll try anything,
Yeah,
um, just to get out.
and those fake people or like bad brokers, bad gurus, bad educators make money out of that,
Hmm.
out of this desperation. So yeah,
Nothing yet on gold.
yeah.
And I think there's more news at 4 o'clock.
Let me check.
Let me check again. No,
Uh, Not no,
no.
after an hour.
Hmm.
Existing home sales we have.
Let's check. Okay.
So, guys, have you heard of the phrase "bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered"? Have you heard of that?
Anyone? Let's see. Uh, but what are you talking about in the chat? Football? Okay.
What is it? It's actually
Yeah.
finding you pay 19% taxes on personal capital gains. I think they're talking about football.
And then they're talking about taxes. No. Personal capital. No. Um, Personal growth, like trading your real trading account, it starts at 19 and it gets up to 26%. So that's what I'm paying, 26% on personal accounts. And when you work with prop firms, you have to be self-employed. So you have to pay 300 euros a month to the government, even if you don't get any money back from the activity
Being
you're doing.
self-employed.
Yeah, self-employed. So it's £300 plus the accountant, plus starting from 19th up to 47. For instance, I'm paying 47% of the income I get. So half of what I get from prop accounts, more, it goes to the government. Yeah.
So it's like 300 euros on everything, right? Not on each account.
It's every month. Every month it's like you pay 300 euros just because you are self-employed.
Oh, wow.
Even if you don't get any money from any customer or anything. So if you have invoiced €0, it's 300 euros that you pay. Yeah. That's why people are still thinking why people leave Spain if they can. I don't do it because I can. I cannot. I can't. But if I could, paying 300 euros a month plus, in my case, it's 47%.
Yeah, Europe is amazing, man.
So it's half of my salary goes to the government.
Amazing Europe.
Yeah, so it's very, very expensive, and not always you get in return the amount you pay.
Yeah.
For instance, now that I've been ill, and then I claim some money from the government because I haven't been able to work, it's like ridiculous. So let's say end of the year, just as for the sake of this example, I've made 100,000 euros. Let's say 5,000 euros a month. If I'm ill and then I have to claim some money back because I'm not able to work, I receive 600 euros. So how many
Totally.
people? Yeah. So imagine that's why self-employed people here work even if they are very ill, as much as they can, because otherwise you don't
You won't have
survive.
money to live.
Yeah.
You won't have money to survive.
Yeah. So it's very, very difficult in Spain. It's not easy. Buying gold 46.16. I wouldn't buy gold yet.
Yeah.
$16. Let me check this point.
We're in a range, guys. It's very hard to make decisions or right decisions now.
Yeah, 16 is not a bad place to me, but I still have to see how gold gets to to this level.
Yeah, correct. Um,
Uh, oh, so you are safe from all gurus watching trading live. Yeah, that's very honest people here. I mean, and it's not only about winnings; it's only showing also the losing days.
exactly.
And not everyone shows when you are losing.
Not all cupcakes and rainbows and
Yeah.
trade. We lose many times. So away from the soccer problem here, I read something nice. Yeah, copying someone else's strategy 100% is like cheating on a test from someone who is writing a different exam. That is
No.
interesting.
Who
Well,
said that? I mean, someone said that it's like cheating.
yeah, yeah. Suits is saying copying someone else's strategy 100% is like cheating on a test from someone who is writing a different exam, because your
No,
personality and their personality are not the same.
no.
So it has some truth behind it. I like
I understand the point, but it's like saying I'm going to be a designer. How many designers are, and how many people designing clothes design the trousers with two legs?
thousands or maybe millions.
Why not with three legs?
Why not with three legs? Because you know why.
Or a trouser with one leg, or five legs, because we are not an octopus. So
Yeah,
you start creating with two legs, very regular, and then you start improving and saying, oh, these trousers, I don't really like them. I'm gonna try thin,
let's
slim.
add some pockets to it.
Yeah, let's add some pockets. Why don't we have trousers with 50 pockets starting from the ankle?
That would
Someone
be
could do it.
something.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not like cheating. You start creating the same piece out of two legs, and then you tweak these two legs because it's a trouser, it's not a boat or a sweater. And then you start
Yeah.
tweaking that to reach the more people, the better. But first of all, you have to be in the market with a product. You start selling a product, and it's like the minimum product be viable. Like you do a trouser, it's two
MVP.
legs, and then yeah, and then you start improving. With trading, is the same. We started reading, copying the teacher. Same with writing. Everyone started writing, like we call it here ligada, like the same type of letter. Same in China or in Japan, or everyone starts the same way, and then you end up developing your own writing. But
Hmm.
you have to start copying. It's a human being. You know how to talk because you've copied people talking. You've been listening, and then you do the same. Um, it's human nature. Copy. It's not a bad thing. That's why Chinese people are so good at what they're doing. They've been copying what's yeah, no, but it's impressive. They copy and then
Yeah,
they improve it. But first of all, they copy.
yeah.
They copy. It's cheaper, and leave someone else paying for the engineering, the marketing, the and then you improve.
Branding, the design, the whole
The,
thing. Yeah,
yeah,
I get it. I get your point, but this specific um, comment is about copying it 100%, like 100%, with no, like, with zero changes. Like, for example, um, you feel more comfortable trading the 1 minute. I feel more comfortable trading the 15 minute. So maybe like I need to tweak my stop losses and take profits accordingly, because trading
mm,
the 1 minute is different from the 15. Am I getting that right, Suits? Because like when I read it, it caught my attention. Like there's some truth to it. 100%, only if we're talking 100%. Of course, you need to
mm.
start copying, as you said, because you learn by copying and then you start improving. But 100%, yeah, like you're trading like someone who is different from you, who has different personality.
Yeah, that's true. Mm.
Yeah,
And you
sell or
have to
buy.
adapt yourself. The strategy, you have to make the strategy yours. But indicators are all invented, and candles are the same for everyone, already invented.
Yeah,
So it's like they go up or down. Candlesticks, indicators. So you have to tweak and to make up something that works for you. That's true. But having something as a starting point,
hmm.
it's easier than
Yeah,
having
we
to
have we
create
have
your
an
own
answer
company
from
from
Suits.
scratch.
We have an answer from Suits. It's not just about strategy; it's about trusting yourself and developing your system in which there is no one to blame but you and no one to thank but you.
All right. Yeah.
And he said, yes, I specifically wrote 100% for that reason. So yeah, like we're on the same page.
Mm.
Yeah, we understand each other. What Rosa is saying is correct. What you're saying is correct. Um, and someone said something. Car tax for the same equivalent car I have is 75% cheaper in Spain. House tax is a bit higher. Okay, that's tax talk.
Yeah, EB it's another tax.
Yeah, toxic love is Spanish.
Sorry?
Toxic love appears to be Spanish.
I think he's Portuguese.
Uh-huh.
Not
Okay.
sure. But now he lives in Spain from the words he's writing.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
depends. I began trading when I was in Portugal, yeah. I just read that. 45% was central government. So moved to Spain. Even Barcelona, living costs. Yeah, that's what sparked the discussion about Real Madrid and Barcelona. Okay. Come on, Suits. Like he lived in Barcelona. You expect him to support Real Madrid? How?
God.
So it's like we're copying from experienced person and adapting to our ways later. Exactly. Okay, so back to gold. What the hell is it doing?
There's nothing to me for now.
Hmm.
Not a
So
single
I'm
setup.
gonna give it like 30 more minutes. If nothing
Hmm.
changes, like I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not trading today.
Hmm. Yes, because it's a very difficult market, even to me. Like just
It's very
going
slow and
a few days. Yeah.
it's in a tight range. Like even the range is not big enough for you to trade and like
Hmm.
trade safely. Okay, Yusuf Abdullah, welcome. By the way, don't bother with gold. News didn't even flinch. Yes.
Yes. And now I don't even know. It's in a range. In 5 minutes, the range is extremely clear. So,
Yeah. And it's getting like narrower.
hmm.
Eventually, there will be a breakout, but like no setup, no trade. So no one answered me. Do you guys know what the phrase I told you about means? Which is like bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. That's a big phrase in trading.
I never heard it before.
Really. So it means that like if you're bullish, you're bullish. If you're bearish, you're bearish. You're going to make money. But if you
Yeah.
keep switching biases because of greed and because of emotions,
Hmm.
you're gonna get slaughtered because naturally pigs are greedy.
Slaughtered.
Yeah, and they're slaughtered. Yeah, so they're greedy. So never came across that phrase. Yeah, so what it means is basically do not be greedy. Be in control of your emotions. Have a bias. That's basically what it is. But I remembered it because like we were talking about something and it just came up. So I decided to ask Ronaldo, and its abbreviation for City. Barca is for the football club. Okay. This turned into a football discussion. Yeah, I heard it on Instagram, and in the comments, they said the pig changes their direction to dirt and food all the time, like greedy traders do. Makes sense. Not very familiar with the pig behavior, but yeah, maybe. I see Nasdaq in 30-minute time frame as bullish. Let's check Nasdaq. Let's take a look at Nasdaq, by the way. Okay, yeah, so it broke above this. Yeah, for me, it's very bullish,
Hmm.
even on the daily time frame. So this area is a buy area. Let's go to 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours as well. So what might happen here is the following. We might get a retest around 25,400. This area would be a great area to buy, targeting new all-time highs. First, you go like you target 26,200 and then new all-time highs. Let's check lower time frames. So the market opens in um, 30 minutes. NYSE. It's very possible that it could just keep going up from here, but I prefer to see 400 first. By the way, today Bitcoin broke above the swing level, which is this, the green thing. Let me show you. So I just got the alert earlier today. So
Right.
we were doing like lower highs, lower lows, and then we failed to make a lower low, and we broke the previous high. So that's an invalidation to this downtrend, and we might now continue the uptrend, the long-term uptrend on Bitcoin. So we might start seeing Bitcoin going further up from here. That just like that's I came by the way. Gold is going up. It's 38. Very close to the all-time high. It's very ugly.
Hmm.
Disgusting. I'm not gonna trade that. No. I'll call it a day in 15 minutes if gold continues this. Yeah, I might do the same.
Yeah, because it is difficult.
Yeah, I think I'm going to jump on this discussion. They're discussing like how can you be a Ronaldo fan and a Barca fan at the same time. Well, you know, I like Cristiano Ronaldo a lot, and I like Messi a lot. Like both of them are like great players, and like you have to respect them. Like you have to respect the like I don't know the mastery they achieved in their field. So I cannot just like uh, talk shit about Ronaldo or Messi. They're both amazing. And by the way, I stopped like long time ago. I stopped supporting teams unless it's Jordan, by the way, like the national team of Jordan. But I stopped like cheering or supporting clubs or teams. I only support people. I support players. So I like Ronaldo. I like Messi. I like Mbappe. I like Haaland. I like, you know, I like Carvajal. I think he's Spanish, right? Carvajal is
Hmm.
Spanish. Yeah,
I think
and
so.
yeah, Lamine Yamal is amazing. Who else? So I like the people. I don't like the team because like teams change all the time. So what's the point of supporting? Like I used to support Barca in the past because it had Ronaldinho, the
Yeah.
Brazilian Ronaldinho. Yeah. So then he moved out. Then came Messi. So that's why I used to support Barca. Then when Messi left, I had no reason to support Barca anymore. So I stopped that.
Hmm.
And in the World Cup, I was supporting Argentina, not because of Argentina, because I wanted Messi to lift the World Cup. I wanted to see it happen. Like that is the last thing. After this, he would like uh, win everything in football. So that's what I wanted to see. But it doesn't mean that I wouldn't be happy to see Cristiano Ronaldo do the same. Jordan is in Messi's group in World Cup, so you're going to be in a complicated position. No, like I'm going to support Jordan, even if Messi is playing. Yeah, they're in our group. Argentina and Jordan are in the same group in World Cup, so that's a tough one. We have Argentina, Jordan, Algeria, and I think Norway. I think Norway, but Norway is not very strong. So it's between us, Algeria, and uh, or us, Algeria, and Argentina, of course. Jordan will lose 5-0. You will see. You want to bet? Suits is saying Jordan will lose 5-0 against Argentina. Would you like to bet? I'm not saying that we will win. We might win, but we might just end with a tie. Not Norway, they're in France group. Let me check who else is in our group. No, it's not Norway, it's Austria.
Oh, now going down.
Look
Okay,
at
might have an opportunity if it goes down a little bit more.
Yeah, that's a strong rejection. But why?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find out. That's why I'm here, so in silent because
Still not going to touch it. No. All right, toxic love. We love you. Is going to leave. Targets were hit for today.
oh right. Might be selling, but it's going up again.
You know what? I'm not going to trade today.
Too complicated. There was news you said at
Yeah,
4. Okay.
let me check. It's after 50 minutes. So you have time.
All right. Let's see if I can find something. It should go down now, at least 20. Nope, it's going up. No.
I'd rather do nothing, to be honest, than just be this confused.
But it's going. Okay. Again, it should go down. Let's see. 46.28 from this level, 46.29. Let's mark it up.
Would you like to share your screen, Rosa, since you're doing something?
Yeah. Well, I'm
Go
just
ahead.
trying to mark up
Go
some
ahead, please.
levels. All right. Can you see it? Nope. Okay. Just bear with me. What am I doing now? Sharing. Share. Okay. So what I was marking is this level here, 29. There. I'm expecting a bounce, not from far.
What a range. Like, look at the screen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah. But I'm waiting somehow here, in this area, not long, not over that. I'm expecting another drop. Let's see. Okay.
hmm.
And the area is this one here. It's thinking too much now. Why it's called that? Okay, now it's dropping. Let's go, go, go. Why it's called behaving like that today?
Just ranging.
Hmm.
Oh my God, what a boring session.
Yes, that's a very difficult session.
Looks more like Asian session than
Yes,
like session.
it was boring this morning, Europe session, but now I think it's even worse.
Hmm. Suits is done. He's like, man, I'm done for today.
Yeah.
Jeff is asking me, how long do you hold a trade for and how many average pips on gold? It depends on the trading style. If you're asking about scalping, like I average around 200, 250 pips per trade. But my stops are like also a little bit big or like wide. But if you're asking about swing, I hold trades up to a year and a half, if I have to. Like, but that's not the norm. Sometimes like the average is around 3 4 weeks, maybe sometimes 6 weeks, but that's it. Sometimes I take very long position trades, not swing trades. And the average pips on gold, I don't know. Like the last one, It got like it hit my TP a couple of days ago. It was 5,500 pips, so $550 on gold.
Hmm.
But that's not the average. That's just like I don't know. Like I think the average on gold recently is very different than the past. Like back in COVID, a very good trade would be like 900 pips, 1,000 pips. That would be like a unicorn trade
Yeah.
because gold didn't used to move as much. Like when it dropped, like after COVID, it dropped to 1,400 something, 1,450, and then it shot up to 1,700. So that was like a huge move. The whole market was talking about it. But like if you compare it to now, it's nothing. $300. Like we moved almost $1,200 in the past year alone. So the whole thing or the whole perspective shifted on gold. Like 1,000 pips used to be a lot. Now 1,000 pips like can be like done in a day.
Yeah, Tony in the day, as you said.
Yeah. So I hope I answered your question, but there's no like one set answer because like it's not linear. Things change, behavior change, price action changes.
Hmm.
So ciao, toxic love.
Bye.
Okay. How's your trade going? Still holding?
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't take any trade. I
Ah, I
just
thought
put
you
some, yeah.
answered.
No, no. No, no, I'm just waiting. It has to go. I was expecting from
Yeah,
here, a
but it
nice
did. It did
reaction,
drop, no?
a good drop, and then start buying here and here.
Okay.
But it's so quiet today, even on futures. Um,
Mm.
you only have to see the screen. It's just the range. Amazing.
Yeah, and it's getting worse.
Hmm. Now it's going up. So bored. I'm calling it a day, honestly. So
Yeah.
there's nothing to there's nothing to do.
So that makes it the two of us, and Suits, and Toxic Love, and many other people watching. No one actually took any trades today. Um, we have news in 9 minutes. Let's
Yeah.
just see the reaction, and maybe we'll get something, but I doubt it. And then we'll call it a session, not only a day.
Yep.
All right. So let's see if we have any more questions. Guys, do you have any more questions for Rosa or myself? Oh, what a boring session.
Yes, it is. Okay, let's see.
Okay, so where's the calendar? Oh, actually, no, it's in 38 minutes, not in 8 minutes.
Oh, okay. So it's okay.
Yeah.
At the end of the candle, 1 hour
And,
candle.
and it's is existing home sales. To be honest, I'm not gonna wait for that
No.
because I don't think existing home sales might do much to the prices. Um, like at this point, Euro USD is moving more than gold, and I'd watch Nasdaq. To be honest, it might give a better opportunity, but in terms of scalping or day trading, I wouldn't be doing anything today.
Mm,
I'm done.
me too. I'm done. That's it.
All right, guys.
All right.
A couple of minutes if you have any questions for us to answer, and then we'll need to love you and leave you.
It is what it is today. That's it.
Yeah. All right, Rosa. Thank you very much. Hope
Thank
I'll see
you.
you soon. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. We apologize for the lack of liquidity. I'll talk to Trump about that. I hope next time it will be better than this. Take care of yourselves, everyone. Take care of yourself, Rosa. Thank you for tuning in. And bye bye. See you.
Likewise. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.